Hey there, my name is Amethyst with WTI, and if you are someone who uses makeup, then you need a product like this in your life. This is the Face Halo, and it is a makeup removing wipe. But it is not just any makeup removing wipe, it is essentially a microfiber cloth that you can reuse over and over again. I really love this product because it makes removing my makeup so much easier. I don't have to use all of those oily or uncomfortable makeup remover solutions. I can just wet this and use it on my face, and it removes my makeup so very well. It removes my waterproof makeup in addition, so that is like chef's kiss. I love that so very much. I love that it is reusable, so I don't have to worry too much about my green footprint when it comes to waste and things with a product like this. All you need is water, which I love. I can save money by not buying wipes. I can save money by not buying solutions for removing my makeup. I always feel so much cleaner whenever I use this. I highly recommend this if you are looking at something to help you remove your makeup, for its eco benefits, for the cost effectiveness of this type of product, and for how well it works. I just absolutely love it, highly recommend it, and that is my point of view.